Let's trace the hint and check the file to see who bit to detect the style. I flip the script so they can't get foul. At least not now, it'll take a while. I change the pace to complete the beat. I drop the bass till MCs get weak. For every word they bite, it's a scar they keep. Cause when I speak, they freak to sweat the technique. I made my debut in '86 with a melody and a president's mix. And now I stay on target and refuse to miss. And I still make hits with beats. Parties and clubs in the cars and jeeps. My underground style vibrates the streets. MCs wanna beef, then I blame for keeps. When they sweat to technique. Don't sweat to technique.
Wanna know how many styles have I ripped and rep, but researchers haven't found all the pieces yet. Scientists try to solve the content, philosophers are wondering what's next. A piece was took to a lab to observe them. They couldn't absorb them, they didn't deserve them. My ideas are only for the audience's ears. For my opponents it might take years. Pencils and pens are swords, letters put together from a key to chords. Most of a sculpture, born with a structure. Because of my culture, I'm a ripping instructor. Typical styles of the beat for the technology, complete with sights and new heights. After I get deep, you don't have to speak, just seek. When they peep the technique. Don't sweat the technique.